It's grayed out, my audio. That's alright, it's annoying anyway. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna take a little mission over to around Amazon. Just take off. Little bastards up there. Nice clear sky. It rained for 24 hours straight. There we go. This thing never focuses right. Oh yeah, Apple are the best. Not. For some reason I don't have any audio here. It's something to do with the iPad. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's turned down. It's not a bad thing. Oh,
299 feet altitude. 623 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 95% battery.
Turn it down. Pain in the ass. Yeah, I figured I'd just take a simple zip around the Amazon. But I was really more interested in getting some horizon shots because we just had a hurricane that lasted a couple of days and it just moved out, so I know there's going to be some pretty cool shots of the clouds. I'm going to pause for 1 second to get a good photo.
300 feet altitude. 2,518 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 91% battery.
How about that rainbow? Let them go. Pretty cool horizon. Look at that shits. I'm having a bad blur day right now. Allergies are killing me.
35 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 88% battery.
I haven't been able to fly in a couple of days because of the weather, because we had Hurricane Henry, I call it, because I hate the word Henry. Just call it fucking Henry. No, we gotta be fancy. Oh, anyways, I'm done bitching. I'm good at bitching. I think a lot of people are. That's why I don't look at Facebook anymore. Everybody's got an opinion. And opinions are just like you know what.
(299 feet altitude, 5,160 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 83% battery.
My nose is running off my face and I don't have any paper towels. Oh, I do. Sweet. Got one in my pocket. I think. Yep, here it is. So it rained for about 24 hours straight. Just stopped maybe about 2 hours ago. We didn't get like crazy hurricane
199 feet
type
altitude.
weather, but we did get a lot of rain.
4,405 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 78% battery.
But it wasn't too bad. My friends are coming over who work there right now on Saturday night at 4:30 in the morning when they get out, and I'm going to talk to them about going back, because the one guy is going to be my new supervisor. Is my boy. So I'm probably going to go back. My feet are healed and I don't have any more bloody open wounds on my toes. That was nasty. See the weight? Ooh.
299 feet altitude. 3,686 feet distance. 23 miles per hour. 73% battery.
Throws off my white balance, color balance. Yeah, that's the road to nowhere out there. You want to live in the woods? This is the fucking woods. Schodack, New York. Girlfriend just texted me. It's funny. She can text. I can text her, and she doesn't. She can like get back to me for like 2 hours later. But if I don't get back to her right away, she gets mad at me. And I guess that's just how it is. Women.
299 feet altitude. 4,888 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 69%
You can't live with them,
battery.
and you can't live without them. Which is kind of debatable, but she's all right. I'll keep her. I'll keep her around for a little while. It's only been 12 years. Let's see, what am I going to do now? Oh yeah, I'm going to test my controller, see where this sucker is. I just like to do it to make sure it's working. Not my controller, my GPS.
The subscriber you have dialed is not available or has traveled outside the coverage area. Please try your call.
The wireless customer you called is not available at this time. Please try your call again later. Announcement 1. The wireless customer you called is not...
Some foggy patches out there, huh? Kind of cool.
299 feet altitude. 3,638 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 64% battery.
Going around one more time. Yeah, this mission I used to use to take pictures of the progress, but there's nothing to take pictures of now. It's all done. There goes the guy dropped off a trailer. See, this is why they like the location, because it's so close to I-90. That's why they're going to build another one right nearby. Yeah. Tracker is working. Got a fix. GPS.
300 feet altitude. 5,266 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 60% battery.
Exactly where expected. Right over here. I saw a hawk before I took off, but not here at my house. Gotta be careful for them little fuckers. I keep getting a warning that my drone's tilted. That might explain the horizon. Something to do with aerodynamics. Probably because of my GPS tracker. Which I'm fine with. When I was working in there, I found a leak right around there. It was dripping
299 feet altitude. 4,420 feet distance.
right next to
26
the
miles per hour. 55% battery.
right next to the computer that I was using. Told the supervisor, but who the fuck knows if he told anybody? Probably not. It's probably still dripping. Should come back now. It's getting dark out quick. Losing sun fast. It's dark by 8 o'clock at night out here. Ooh, misty out there, huh? See it? Good speed, good battery.
299 feet altitude. 3,006 feet distance. 23 miles per hour. 49% battery.
I know this flight's kind of redundant, but I just kind of wanted to get up there because I haven't flown in a couple of days. And wanted to get kind of like a little shot of the horizon that's going on. Oh, my nose will not stop. I don't know how the drone can be tilted. It's a warning I keep getting on the screen here. I don't know.
300 feet altitude. 1,142 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 43% battery.
Every time there's a software update or something, the messages, error messages seem to change all the time. Oh, GPS error, blah, blah, blah. That's all debatable. Home of the new Amazon warehouse.
$299 feet altitude. 1,600 feet distance. 23 miles per hour. 37% battery.
He doesn't want to go up any higher. Fuck. There we go. Yeah, the camera is misbehaving a little. Cool skyline. Yeah, that's the end of the hurricane right there. It's blown away. Going back to me.
299 feet altitude. 840 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 31% battery.
I'm gonna break the mission, and I want to go see if I can see how the level of the creek is. Because it rained so much, it's probably really high. The Moidakill, yeah, that's pretty high. It's not usually like that there. This is one open spot that you can get 28% battery. Look straight down so I make sure I don't go down to no trees.
180 feet altitude. 1,289 feet distance. 0 miles per hour.
Yeah, that's pretty thick.
26% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Make sure I'm above the trees. I am. You just don't know. You can't tell for sure where you are in space. Don't be stupid, stupid.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%. "145 feet altitude. 589 feet distance. 19 miles per hour. 21% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
Gotta go in that store in a minute, Stewart's. Yeah, bring him back. 18%.
Warning, aircraft battery at 18%.
There he is.
"78 feet altitude. 85 feet distance. 6 miles per hour. 15% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 14%.
To get 10%, he's going to want to land on his own. Whoa.
Warning, aircraft battery at 12%.
Alright, time to bring him home. I'm fucking around.
-1 feet altitude. 8 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 10% battery.
Excellent flight. Excellent flight.
Aircraft battery at 10%.
Yeah, you can shut up now. Alright, landed safely. That's a 20-minute flight nearly. 19 minutes, 31 seconds. Alright. Live to fly another day. D-Dub is out.